Hi there, today I'm going to show you how we make Fanti Kenkey in Ghana. Fanti Kenkey in Ghana. So, Fanti Kenkey in Ghana. This is Fanti Kenkey. This is Kenkey, all wrapped naturally with plantain leaves. And it's going to be cooked afterwards. So what you do is, the kenkey will be wrapped traditionally with the leaves of a plantain. So these are some of the leaves here. So we got dry ones here, and then we got the ones which are not dried. Okay, so I'm going to show you how they wrap it. First of all, they make the dough. First of all, they make the dough like that, and then it will be set into pieces, and then it will be wrapped, and then later on be cooked. Look at how it is being wrapped. This is Fanti Kenkey, a very typical way of making food in Africa. So those of you who are fond of using plastics in wrapping food, please put a stop to it, because it's very dangerous doing that. So I would just encourage you guys to use the natural leaves in order to make all your food, because nature is power. You know, the olden days we used to, there was no spoons and there were no plates and there were nothing like that. And then food used to be wrapped very well and cooked. So this is traditionally how everything is being done. Yeah, this is making Fanti Kenkey. So everything will be done in a very natural way. But in a moment, people just neglect the way of using the traditional way of doing stuff. Now they mostly use plastics in wrapping hot food. And that is very dangerous. Very, very, very dangerous. So look at how the kenkey is being done, how it is wrapped, and how it's done. Very, 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 very nice way of doing that. So always remember, when you are eating, try and use things which are natural. There are people that makes food and they put them into plastics, and then they heat them, and you know what happens when heat come in contact with plastics. What is the end result? So we should go back and use what the olden days, how our grandparents were using. It is very important. My dear people, this is making Fanti Kenkey. Fanti Kenkey. So these are just some of the leaves that we use making the kenkey. So we got the dry ones, and then we got the other ones here using Fanti Kenkey. So I'm just taking you around how it is being done. Yeah. This is how it's been wrapped. This is how it's been wrapped. Me nuanom Ghanafoɔ, ɛnɛ deɛ ye Fanti Dokono. A friend no intaw Dokono. Aha. Say batadi ha and wo friend intaw Dokono. Aha. Ti Fanti Dokono no first no won say ye wrap it. Ene nipa bebre omu use plastics. Ena omo de set Dokono ni mu. Na wa unim say plastic nso say jaka ehu. Nti say wo di Dokono na say plastic e wo mu a e wo say wo hwe ne yi efri say eja e ka plastic a the chemical reaction no very toxic. Ti minu anom mo hwe ne yi ene dey ye wotakrade ena ye bo Dokono wa hayi na say de Dokono no ye no na me pese me yi kire mo mato Dokono bebre especially BANKU a utona udia ubohu se yede plastic asem ti ya hyase se ebohu dawuro a kire emanma no se saa ne oma na omo ye no omo bejai se de omo de omo ye Dokono a omo de kanesen we plastic esem no aha nti tete no nyina no na ye yusu ye kanesen aban na yididi wo mu ene dey de ese abefo ne oma bibiri aba ene no ye mfa boganye soan a ye nhwe ye didi mu nti ene ne ye ya ye se ye de plastic ese Dokono ni mu na ya noa Dokono na Dokono na ben o plastic ni mu ene nipa di enti nipa ewuwo ni ade e ekoso ogana no ebi wo ho a na ye nim ekwan a faso a esi saa neoma we nyina aka ho se de aduane bi a wo beto ehye utokoko a koko hyehyehye na ya yeden ye de egu plastic mama na wonso wako school wabo degree nyina wonso so wadi nti saa neoma we nyina ye neoma a wo se ye de ye hwe na ye hwe ne yie se aduane bia ye bedi akoyeye mu no ye behwe se enya de bia di nsusuan bone bi bebre nti wo Dokono a ye mfa plastic bia nhye mu na ama omo bo Dokono no so a omo ye saa de no so omo agyae ukoto BANKU na BANKU no ye de plastic aye ho a onua mento woto a wato yare ankasa ma wo ho nti saa ne oma ni nyina no oma ye nhwe yi ekwan e befa so a ye beye saa ne oma no minuanom michia mo nyina bye bye.